Okay, if you notice, it's dripping really nice and slow right out of the hole. I don't know how well you can see that, but what I did is I took the T45 Torx socket, and I just cracked it open. I literally just cracked it barely, and sure enough, it just started dripping right out perfect. So this is the best way to do it, because see, nothing's going in the bottom of the pan. It's just dropping straight out. Now I do have the sled up on the wheels, on the dollies, and I have the back up just slightly higher than the front. But I think even level it would work perfectly, because it's dripping out real nice and right out of the center of that hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that drain down. And it'll probably take a while, but it looks like it's coming out nice and straight. And then after that, I'll go ahead and I will go further. I'll remove the 3 bolts here, remove the cap, pull out the filter, put the new filter in, and put that back down. And these get torqued to right around 8 foot-pounds or 89 inch-pounds. And then once that's completely drained out down there, I will put that main plug back in and torque that. Actually, the plug's already in. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to take it out fully. Maybe I'll take it out once it's drained and I'll clean it off and check the seal. But once I put that main plug back in down there, it gets torqued to 22 foot-pounds. And then I'm just going to do my chain tension, and make sure that's good. And I'll put the muffler back on. And then
we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I will fill it up with about 3 quarts of oil right there. I'm going to use Mobil 1 OW40. I'll put 3 quarts in, and then I will start the sled and bring it up to temperature, and then I will add about a half a quart more and constantly check the dipstick to get it between the level where you want it. And when you check this, you got to check it with the engine warm, basically engine up to temperature, and you drop this in and you make sure that that's completely down when you check the level. And that's about it. It's actually a hell of a lot easier than the Apex ever was, that's for sure. Alright, so that's the oil change on the new 2016 1200 with the excess plastics.